News that's coming in from the state of West Bengal now. It is the BJP which has intensified its attack on West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. According to BJP, Mamata Banerjee is not letting the victims meet the governor of the state. Bengal governor said that Mamata Banerjee is not letting those people who have been grappling with post-poll violence meet him. According to Bengal governor, open violence is taking place in the state of West Bengal, which is shocking. Bengal governor said, I have given permission to the victims to meet me inside the Raj Bhavan, but I am shocked to find they were stopped due to some issue or the other. Chief Minister cannot defy the constitution. There is dance of death that is taking place in many pockets in the state of West Bengal.
गवर्नर साहब ने सही सवाल उठाया है क्योंकि जिस तरीके का विषय आया है कि आप जो विक्टिम है उनको मिलने नहीं दे रही है, गवर्नर को गवर्नर हाउस से निकल के जाना पड़ा, तो ये तो डेमोक्रेसी को शर्मसार कर देने वाली बात है। डेमोक्रेसी में गवर्नर कस्टोडियन है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, वहां तक भी अगर पहुंच नहीं पाए विक्टिम, तो ममता बनर्जी चाहती क्या है? जो लोग बीजेपी करते हैं वो क्या डूब मरे, सुसाइड कर ले? तो अगर ऐसा है तो मुख्यमंत्री जी एक बार बोल दे सामने आकर, सब बीजेपी वाले सुसाइड करने लगेंगे उनके घर के सामने जाकर।
I have heard the victims. That is one version of the story. As a governor, I would like to be fair in my approaches and comments. Let me also listen to what government has to say.
My colleague Suryagini Roy is now joining me on the story. Suryagini, after the TMC swept the Lok Sabha elections, the war between BJP and TMC is now intensifying.
Well, yes, absolutely. And the topic of discussion over here is, alleged victims of post-poll violence. Some of them wanted, along with BJP leaders, wanted to visit the Raj Bhavan and meet the governor. However, that did not happen because, of certain protocols. And the governor, he issued a statement last evening itself on this particular issue. He stated that anyone and everyone who's affected due to any kind of violence can come and meet him. He's also writing to the chief minister on this particular issue. He's stated that, he asked the state administration to file a report on this particular issue of post-poll violence and things related to that. However, as for the governor, that report hasn't been, sent to him as of yet. So that was yesterday that he mentioned this. So we had earlier even seen similar instances of, war of words between the governor and the Trinamool Congress government over here. And again, in 2024, after the elections, Aishwarya, we see a similar trend. Back to you.
Thank you, Suryagini, for giving us all those details. In the state of West Bengal, the TMC versus the BJP is now gathering heat.